Hey guys, good day, welcome back to my video. So in today's video I am going to be unboxing my aloe vera. So guys, to see aloe vera by now is so difficult. That's why I decided to order it online. Okay, so let's unbox my aloe vera, because if you are doing hair growth journey, if you are not using aloe vera or more, you need this aloe vera to grow your hair faster. But this one now, I think is a small plant. I have to grow it myself. Okay, so let's unbox it. I will buy reach like 5 or 4 because I want to give my children. I want to share the plant for them so that every morning and evening they'll be watering it. Okay, let's unbox it. So it's yesterday we received this post, but yesterday I was so tired. That's why I could not unbox it yesterday. So let's unbox it today. Let's see our aloe vera plant. Let's see how it look. Okay. Any all kinds of things. Now I'm gonna order this. When I see this thing, it big go, but as it come corner, it can't be like say the plant is small. My son though. People sound though, these people. Nothing will not go fit for this. Sound though. Oh. Even this night, no even start again. Aloe vera. Here I come. They look fresh. Now their business now. Even the I should say this one. It looks fresh. It looks fresh. They can't mean this one.
Our big rubber where?
Something don't throw one with the pack.
You don't need to cut that rubber.
No, cut it. They suffocate the aloe vera. It is second.
Now back on is supposed to cut that.
And we get sand though. I'll go buy another sand.
Now back on is supposed to cut all those things so that this thing is fit.
The full extra sand. Now to go buy this
one,
sand.
We will let us go now to back.
Then just divide and put on for you. Now to go back up tomorrow. Then I'll just pull the thing inside, remove this one.
No need to
I'll buy sand.
Not to cut this rubber. Because you say me remove one.
No, you remove one, definitely remove one now. I'll go buy the plant rubber tomorrow. I'll buy sand. Then I'll put the sand.
Where our
sand?
This one?
Our sand, that sand never expired.
You don't remember?
I don't know. Well, you did that Keller for that woman. You see?
I should not buy these two now.
Yes.
These two now will grow.
Yes,
you will use them every day.
That's what I buy now. The purpose is that.
Go to where I go Bowers.
Me, I go find for Bowers that day, not there. Even small one, not there. The two aloe vera look heady. And you know, see, they look heady, but this one they shake go.
That one is fresh, but that one will be shake so.
This one's still fresh, but this one big.
No, that one
you know, to say all the yellow, you need the water. Yeah. I'll go buy some tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Yeah. See you guys in our next video. Okay, our aloe vera tree is here. So they go plan for balcony.